Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Stan here, back again with another video. So, yeah, this one is delayed for a few months. So I'm try to make a video, answering some of the questions that you guys have in the comment. And this is going to be a give and take about 9 month review of the bike. First I got it, I was riding it, happy. I have few issue with it. A lot of people comment, so thank you for that. Some of them were fixed, and some of them I'm still having the same issue. So basically, this is what the video talk about. Things that have changed, and what I have done to fix the issue. First thing first. Right now I have about 200 something miles. Yeah, 288.3. Right? Oh no, the 378. That's my total mileage. 378 out of the 9 months that I own the bike. Not gonna lie, I was riding in the rain and I was riding in the snow. So after one season, let me sit back down. I found some problem. The chain was completely rusted. I mean, I know that's gonna be regular maintenance, right? So, but I just want to point it out. The chain was completely rusted. The rotor was rusted, but I cleaned everything up. Some part like over here, you can see it. Yeah, it was rusted also. The bolt over here, those are all rusted. I mean, I guess I could change them to aluminum or something stainless steel or whatever. But yeah, so those happens. I loop, clean out the whole chain, re-lube everything, adding some lubricant on it, and clean out the rotor, disc brake cleaner, take out the brake pad. I mean, regular maintenance, so no complaint about that. I did fix the battery issue that I won't be able to take it out. I was stupid because I left the key inside. I keep try to press that button. That button is not even going to move. So now I learned. Take out the key first, push the button, bend it in half, and then take out the battery. Simple. The moment you press it, it comes out anyways. What else? I took out some of the stuff off the bike. You see everything. The reason why this bike I wasn't used for like 2-3 months and it got all rusted because I was riding my unicycle to work every day. And recently I sold that and I want to go back to the e-bike, start pedaling, start doing some exercise besides going to the gym. I mean, it's still something. I keep a level 2 pedal assist and just pedal my way out. Yeah, I moved some of the stuff to the scooter right there, the bag and the horn and everything. So, by the way, this is my new hook. It's still pending, ready to work on. Yeah, so what else? Oh, I was having big issue with the front brake. I mean the back one, it was squeaking, but I cleaned it up, tied everything down. Now it's fine. But then for the front one, so this is what happened. I have to like pump it like maybe 5-6 times for it to grab. And I took it to the shop, they bleed it, and it got a little bit better, but after like maybe 2-3 weeks, same thing happened again. I have to keep pumping, for it to stop, for it to grab, for the brake. So what I did is, somebody mentioned it in the comments, so thank you for that. It's really simple. Just take out this 2 screw. You don't even have to completely take it out. Let me try to give you a close up. The one that holding on to the brake bracket. Yeah, the top and the bottom one, just loosen them up and grab them and tie it back down. That's all it takes to fix that issue. That I have to pump a couple of times because I guess it was loose or somehow it shifted when I fold up the bike and put it in my car. So something happened, right? So what I did is I did that and now it's completely fixed. Just one pump and grab and then stop. So no complaint about that. Stopping power is good. The battery is still going strong. The charger, they do get a little hot every time I charge it, but it's okay. On a full charge, level 2 pedal assist, I'm 250 pounds. It still get me up to like 22 miles per hour. On level 3, it will, depends on the road, 27, 28 top speed on the pedal assist 3. I found out the pedal assist actually kill more battery than just using the throttle. So if I just throttle, don't touch the pedal at all, I get more mileage out of it. I don't know why, and I don't even know how that happened, but I found out when I pedal, I got less mileage. When I just use the throttle, no pedal at all, I get more mileage out of it. Also, one of the major problems a lot of people complain about on the Facebook group or over the internet, I don't know. Is it a complaint or is it a feature? Remember the pedal when you just put your foot on it and just a little forward and the bike will launch forward with it. I still having the problems. I tried to use some of the people's setting that they share on the Facebook group. No luck for me. The bike still perform the same. I'm kind of get used to it. So whenever you don't want it to go, you don't want it to move when your feet is on the pedal, just do this, just a little bit, and it cuts off the power to the pedal assist. I mean, most of the time when I'm not pedaling, usually I'm slowing down or coming up to a stop sign, and then when I'm not moving at all, I just hold the brake. That way, it won't accidentally launch forward or whatever. I know this is not something that should be normal because I do have the Sonder Full X before, and that bike do not have this kind of problems. It will require at least more than a full turn, or maybe a full turn, before the pedal assist kicks in, but not with this brand or maybe the Yamee bike or whatever. So that's what happened. Yeah, I mean, I'm still having the same issue. The front fork is working fine. No complaint about that. I think I was bottoming out at one point. Yeah, I gotta adjust that. The wheel shot still good. I added this piece right here. This is the suspension post, and I was using the stock plastic trim. Plus, I purchased another one. I forgot. It's been so long. I totally forgot what size was it, but I was using both of them. I'll be able to mount it, and it's not going anywhere. So it's not sliding down or up. What else? I mean, I think that's all about it. I mean, I was gonna put the baby seat, but look what happened. I bought it, used it one time, took my kid out to the park, and now it's just sitting there collecting dust. I'm not even using it anymore. So I can't say much about the rear whack. I mean, they're still pretty strong, sturdy. And one more thing. I don't know, do you supposed to do it every month? But I do it every maybe 3 to 4 months. I will try to tighten down those bolts over here on both sides. They will still tight, but a little bit loose. But once I tighten them down, they feel fine now. I mean, I guess just regular maintenance for the e-bike. So yeah, that's pretty much all the things that I have to say about this bike at this point. Also, thank you for all those purchasing with the code. It did give me a little kickback. It helps. So thank you for that, for using the code. Any question, just leave a comment, drop a line below, and let me know what you guys want to hear or see next time. All right, thank you. Have a good day. Peace.